Hey everyone, this is Mel Lara, and today I'm going to show you how to make, using Google Slides, a plot narrative planning guide. So this is a basic plot for a narrative. Now it's relatively easy to do, you're just using shapes to make this happen. But I'm going to start from scratch using a standard template. Hold your horses. Okay, so I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to open up a new presentation. There you go. Now this is your standard presentation which can fit on basically any TV screen really comfortably. I'm going to go to standard because that's just the style that I like. So go to page setup, get off widescreen and just go to standard. So it's a 4:3. It makes it nice and easy and that's the style I like. So I'm going to collect all of what I see and delete it, and I'm going to start from scratch. So I've got some digital papers that I've got on my downloads and I'm going to move over my screen and I'm going to find them. So I've got this one and I've got this one as well. So I'm just going to move this over, make sure it fits the screen, and I've got this paper as well, and I'm going to use that so it's sort of like a double whammy just for fun. And in the middle I'm going to put a white square shape because it suits me and what I'm going to be doing with the students. I'm going to leave a black line on it just because I want to. Now I can either leave that there and then make this into a JPEG and then upload it as a background, which I'll show you how to do, or I can just leave it and trust the kids. But if you don't trust the kids and they'll just delete everything, what you can do is you can go to File, you go to Download, you download as a JPEG or a PNG. It's higher quality, but it might be a bigger file. So I'm going to go to JPEG. So now that particular slide has now been downloaded as a JPEG, and that's in Downloads. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete everything here. So I'm going to go into background, I'm going to choose the image, I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to find the JPEG that I have just made. Now it's uploading and it will go straight to my background of my slide and I can't move it at all now. So that means no fiddling by the kid. With this particular sheet, I am going to start with the plot mountain. So I'm going to get a shape in. I'm going to get a triangular shape. I will grab your standard triangle, make the shape and make it nice and big. This color so it kind of looks like a mountain. I'm also going to grab this, so make it rounded this time. So I'll move it over just a tad, and this is going to be the exposition or introduction, setting the scene and the characters. So I will call Exposition and make it a bit smaller just so that they feel like they can write in the box. You might need to remind them to go up here when they're using the slide, to go up here to make it larger and then tap on there and that should make it larger. But I'm going to go back out to standard fit, go back to the arrow to make it clickable. So I'm going to go to Command Copy, I'm not sure what it is on a PC, and then Command P, which is pretty standard for most people, and I'm going to grab this as well, copy and paste. It's up here, and then I'm going to make this the complication. And we just keep doing this for the exposition, the complication, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, the resolution. So I'll just do this in fast time. So as you can see, I've put the plot mountain in here, but let's give it a title. Make it nice and big. I might just change the font. Okay, so now I need to add some instructions for the students to know what to do. as you can tell, that when you do return that it will be a capital, so you'll just have to go back and change that, especially in Google Slides. This doesn't happen in PowerPoint so much. What you should do now is label it. Okay, so I have now labeled it, and this is going to go on Google Classroom as an assignment, and they'll have to click in. Each will get a copy. They won't have to make their own, and then they fill in the information themselves. One thing I will recommend is that you put in the text box for them and make sure that it's not too large and not too small. And remember, they can always use the plus to zoom in and zoom out again. You can remind them that you can make the other boxes larger to write in. And this is the basics of making a plot on Google Slides and setting that out as an assignment for the kids to fill in and to resend back to you for comments or for guidance on how to write a narrative. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. This is Mel Lara. Thank you for watching.